avant m'bay nous la parole,
before I let other people speak,
m'vle poser nous quelques questions pour nous réfléchir.
I want to ask you some questions to think about.
Comment nous t'avons senti nous
How
pour
would,
nous voir moun ap traiter petit nous de voleurs, de criminels?
how would you feel to see other people treating your kids robbers, thief, or criminal?
Et comment nous t'avons senti nous tout
And how would you feel
pour nous voir petites sœurs nous,
to see your little sisters,
petites nièces nous,
your nurses, your nieces,
petites filles nous,
and your daughters?
moun ap accusé de yon bagay que yo pas connaît.
Other people are accusing them. Other people are accusing them for things they don't know about.
M'vle di nous tout qui là après-midi,
I want to tell all of you who are here today,
haïtiens tant qu'aux étrangers,
Haitian as well as foreigners, or
moi aime nous toutes
I love you all
et moi respecte nous toutes,
and I respect you all,
mais moi pas rester avec personne.
but I am not the respect of anyone.
Alors, qu'on y a nous capable parler, pour nous capable expliquer comment clinique là qu'on a fonctionné, surtout nous mêmes haïtiens qui là qui t'ai fait expérience avant moi.
And now he is letting other people to speak to tell how the clinic used to function before he arrives in the parish.
I'm sitting here because Dr. Fran wants to hear this. I have no interest in a history lesson. But I would like to add one reflection. On our travels here from Port-au-Prince to Dushiti, we saw a scene from the Bible, the woman at the well, on a bus. And so we all shared our favorite Bible stories. One translator shared the story of Daniel in the den. Daniel in the lion's den. I shared two. First, my favorite is when Christ goes to the temple and turns over the tables and says, "Not in my house." The second is when he sits and he's tracing his finger in the sand. And he is calm and reflective. And he says, one thing, he who is without sin should cast the first stone. I am praying right now for the strength, not to be the Christ that turns over this table, but to be the Christ who is sitting here, tracing my finger, waiting for all of you to think about what you have done that have caused that little girl to be at the end of this table. To sit here as judges, because there is not one person at this table that has not done something that caused her to be sitting there. This is not my country, this is not my culture. I left my family, I left my income to come here, and I'm sitting at a trial right now.
What is a trial?
A judge, a jury. I will not sit here. I don't have any interest in hearing the history of the clinic.
Let me speak for a second.
Non, faut que t'entendez.
Mon mari me pour dire seulement.
Faut que t'entendez.
Ça va
Faut que
pas,
t'entendez.
on me dire moi.
Ok, on met pas.
Ou dire que moi-même, ma salle non, ça me calme sur
Avec Jonel.
à zone. Je ne battre tant qu'un monde de voler. Ça a de vraiment pour ça battre.
He's saying father said
Pas de monde mettre de voler.
that he went to.
Si ça arrive là, son position comme si son monde qui pivot, qui bon l'autre qui peut faire ça. Et ça me dit moi-même.
Ok.
Ok? So pour moi-même, pour finir, ça va important.
Non.
No,
Faut
stop.
chita pour t'en réponse. Faut chita pour t'en réponse.
Tell us.
Ça va comme si moi qui dis, ça me suit de voler.
Faut chita pour t'en réponse. Faut chita pour t'en réponse. Ou pas qu'à courir. Ou pas qu'à courir. Non. Faut chita pour t'en réponse.
Okay, just you can't.
Judas.
For shame. What just happened here?
He said he did not mention her name with Jonette and nothing, and then he didn't remember doing that at all, and then he doesn't want to sit in this meeting, and he's
Do you think any of us want to be here? I was so disrespected the other day by this young lady. I don't care to be sitting here. She lied to me multiple times. She was rude. She rolled her eyes.
Il était dérespecté par demoiselle ça, il était mal menti.
We're leaving. I don't think
Il
we
était
can do
vraiment
it
rude
tonight.
ensemble avec
We'll
elle, et
leave
pas
in the
intéressé
morning.
pour chita là.
Dr. Friend, you're gonna have to take over because this is absurd.
Yeah. Faut écouter. C'est moins que responsable par WhatsApp. C'est moins que responsable. C'est moins que responsable. Son bail nous vient réfléchir là. Non. Nous, nos pays pauvres. Nous, nos pays pauvres, certes. Mais nous, quel droit pour respecter nous? Nous, nos pays pauvres, certes, mais nous, quel droit pour respecter nous?
We are in a poor country, but we have the right to be respected.
Yeah.
Of course.
As do
I
they.
thought,
As do they.
C'est même ça avec
There's no sense.
Okay, Dr. Friend.
okay, so I've been here 10 times, 10 years.
Il dit que lui venu là, ça fait 10 fois et 10 ans.
We want the teams to work together as brothers.
Nous avons besoin d'équipe
And
pour
Dr. Willie and
travailler
I
ensemble
work
en tant que
together.
frères.
No
Dr.
problem.
Willie ensemble avec lui travaille ensemble
Okay.
sans problème.
The problem sometimes,
Problème là, c'est que
you
des
know, we
fois,
come and
là nous venons,
we needed medicine.
nous avons besoin de médicaments.
And somehow, big misunderstanding,
Des fois, un peu de manque de compréhension.
didn't seem to be enough medicine.
Et des fois,
Somebody
pas
actually
bien ces
went
médicaments.
and bought more medicine,
Et nous
right?
demandons pour nous acheter
In the car.
plus d'autres médicaments au CAI.
But then, in the back storage room,
Mais laissez ça dans la chambre de dépôt qui est
they
derrière,
found more medicine.
nous jouons plus de
You heard
médicaments.
about that?
No.
Yeah, so there was a medicine, you know, in storage covered up,
C'était un médicament qui était dans le
Expired?
dépôt.
Okay.
but not on the shelves.
Qui était couvert, mais qui était sous étagère.
And so then someone needed, as I understand it, someone needed insulin, right?
Et ça-
Or
ça-
Lasix.
c'est bon,
Lasix.
c'est besoin-
They needed a Lasix
qui a besoin d'insuline
for high blood pressure. One of the workers.
pour tension.
So our nurse asked for Lasix, and they said there was none
Et que les infirmières ont demandé pour les sécurités italiennes.
in the back storage.
Et les ça ont allé dans.
So I don't know who really know what medicine was
On
there.
va connaître qui est-ce qui te connaît que des médicaments étaient là.
So in other words, there was medicine back there. Maybe the young lady didn't know it was there.
Et
But that was a important medicine, like for this particular patient with high blood
les
pressure.
médicaments ça qui est vraiment important et que a trouvé le DA peut-être infirmière pas connaît que si un médicament c'était.
And then there was an argument about the medicine.
Et là ça te gagne en pile discussion des médicaments.
So then people raise their emotions.
Là ça mon yo vinn.
And now we have a problem. So we wanna solve the problem before we go.
Not mine, mine's
Nous
big.
voulons résoudre le problème avant que nous aller.
Ouais, c'est important.
Okay.
C'est ça nous fait là. C'est ça nous fait là, c'est résoudre
We have to find a common ground.
Oui. Il va parler.
So,
Question des médicaments.
Oui,
yeah,
oui, parler.
more.
Donc, normalement, ça, ouais, qui fait là, et donc, mardi, hein,
C'est un bagage qui a été fait.
What happened on those days is something
Ah.
that usually happens
Ancien employé qui travaille dans le centre là.
with the foreign employee, not foreign, the former employee who had been working in the center.
Donc comment tu comptes faire ça?
This is how they used to do it.
Et son série de médicaments qui acheté bien cher.
It's a bunch of medicines there that are bought very expensive.
Et bien ça nous fait chaque lèvre là va venir nous essayer de retirer là-dedans.
What they do every time when the team is coming, we try to subtract some of them,
Pour que vous pas bailler gratis.
so we don't give him for free.
Automatiquement blanc au final.
And automatically after you guys left,
Nous retourner médicaments ça dans la pharmacie
we
encore.
return those medicines in the pharmacy,
Pour que vous capable utile population.
so they can continue to be useful to the population.
Ça veut dire ça que fait là.
So what happened?
C'est pas Miss Camsus qui vient avec mais ancien employé
It's not this nurse who comes with it who initiated it, but it's something that used to happen already.
Yeah.
That is
Alors,
usually.
nous joignons dans petit chambre en bas,
So we find them in their little storage room back there.
mais sous l'autre responsable administration qui était là déjà,
But under the old responsible for this administration,
c'est côté Père Mario qui dormi dans petit caillou comme ça.
it used to be where Father Mario used to sleep. There with storage.
Mais lui-même,
But
mais Miss Camsus,
for Miss Kamsis,
il a fait même avec eux.
she did not do the same as they
Médicaments
used to do.
médicaments c'est pour centre là.
Those same medication is for the same
Et bien il
center,
quitté dans centre là.
and she left them at the center.
Mais yo et nous apprendre que yo accusé
But we learned
de
that
ces volets qu'il volait
she's
médicaments.
accused that she stole the medication.
Ça sont fausses accusations que yo
It's a
fait.
very false accusation.
Ok.
Bon,
On avance après ça.
question. Bon, c'est la première fois que nous entendons des bagages médicaments.
This is the first time he's heard about this medication.
Peut-être
problem.
je ne pas là lundi, c'est ça que je ne pas connaître toute l'histoire.
He was not here on Monday, maybe that's why he doesn't know all
Exactly,
of those
yeah.
issues and no one can talk about it.
Et une seule question m'a posée, est-ce que médicaments
Only
que
one-
yo joignent
Only one
dans
question
le
he's
dépôt,
asking is that the medication you found in the storage room,
est-ce que ces médicaments, Moun Saint-Thomas, Kathleen ou bien Kim, qu'on peut...
Okay, I'll talk to him.
is it
hi,
is it
Mike.
the medication?
We
is
wanted
it the
you to,
medications from
listen
St.
in on a
Thomas
meeting,
or
Mrs.
the
King.
medications that
Yo acheté
one second.
It was a mixture of both.
Okay.
c'est un mélange de tout
De tous les deux.
de tous les
Tous les
deux.
deux.
He,
Donc, parce que je me connais, en tant que médecin qui a travaillé depuis 10 ans ici,
Because I know as a doctor who's been working for 10 years here,
et chaque dernier jour que le groupe Saint-Thomas a quitté,
every last day the St. Thomas team is leaving.
ils ont toujours arrangé toute
They
bagaille
always set up everything
et tout médicament
and all of the medicines.
pour jusqu'à ce que les vini pour connaître que vous avez quitté les médicaments ça pour pas porter dans les médicaments ça.
So next time when they come, they know that we left those medications, so we don't have to bring those kind of medication anymore.
Et prochaine fois, on a
And the
souhaité
next time, he
que
will-
c'est nous quitter tous les médicaments yo, et puis nous retirer les médicaments par nous yo, que nous acheter avec l'argent pour utiliser quitter les
so
médicaments
here,
Saint-Thomas.
here are two things we would like you to know since you are a physician.
Yeah.
Et des bagages notamment pour connaître en tant que physicien.
A, she did not pull the most recently expired meds.
Et il pas râler et
I mean, she
médicaments.
didn't leave the most recently expired
Il
for
va
us to
quitter les
use.
médicaments qui respirent récemment yo pour nous utiliser.
Well, three things.
Trois
Two,
bagages. Deuxièmement,
we asked what she needed from the pharmacy.
nous demandé qui ça qu'elle besoin dans la pharmacie.
The list had
The
what we
list that
found
again-
in the storage room.
Liste là te gen exactement ça que nous avons besoin. Liste là te gagné ça que nous joignons en dedans de quoi.
Three,
Troisièmement,
three, excuse me, three, Kathleen had a order for, I will talk about it. She asked me if I had any, if I knew where it was. We couldn't find it in the pharmacy. We asked her where it was. She said she didn't know, there was none. It was in the box that was taped up and hidden in the storage.
il dit que un médicament que
You'll have to explain the dangers of that because that's beyond me.
demandé et que yo te voyez acheter et que l'un nous besoin et que le médicament ça nous voyez acheter et que nous te
I'm going to this room for a minute.
Mettre Jean-Claude téléphone.
Mike, this is Kim.
D'abord, est-ce que le médicament ça revient dans les poids? Est-ce que c'est le même qui est avec ou bien c'est responsable centre là
c'était
Il
comment?
dit jamais au là.
Ok, il dit que c'est ton médicament, ça a été jeune, c'est ton mélange des deux,
Des
de tous les deux.
Te gen salade bon, te gen ça.
Je vais bien expliquer. Je dis le médicament que lui-même il était voulu déjà. C'est parce que je me pharmacie a trop. Moi-même, je me retiré. Tant pour Amox 250 mg, toujours à me dire, il y a plein de pharmacies. Moi, je me retire, boire ça, mettez là-dedans, et puis immédiatement, Amox qui est dans la pharmacie a fini.
We have to work out some compromise.
Tu t'as remettre sur étagère, t'as pour faire le temps de déco.
Oui.
All right, we'll be in touch with you once we get moving.
Ok, c'est
Thank
ça,
you.
man.
Ben, voilà.
Nous disons que t'es grand. On est
He said, go, don't do twice.
Il mélange
He
tout.
said it was a mistake that
Okay. I am very sorry to interrupt this. I'm very sorry to interrupt this. I have traveled to your city 8 times in 3 years.
Il voyageait dans la communauté noire 8 fois pendant 3 ans.
I support 2 students' education.
Il supportait l'éducation de
I work at home to raise money.
Il travaille la caille pour collecter l'argent.
I walk through your town without a translator.
Il marchait dans la ville noire.
And I have never been more afraid for my physical safety than sitting in this room with all of
Il
you.
faut que j'aime inquiéter ça pour une sécurité physique li, que Chita entre nous-mêmes là.
And we're leaving right now while there's daylight. Jack, we're leaving right now.
Et que nous quitter Kounia.
Non, il n'y a pas de problème.
I can't sit here and these are your people.
Ça, c'est créer un problème. C'est pas un problème.
I feel afraid.
No, we are sitting here to discuss about it. No, this is something about our clinic. I know.
And this girl is already discussed it this week. Oh, I feel so.
I don't think so.
You have to.
I don't think.
I do.
Me, I didn't know if.
I cannot stay here. I can't stay here.
You guys get. You have to find a common ground.
Chita, vous nous parlez. L'autre jour, nous demandons, nous rencontrons, nous chita, nous entendons, nous goûtons, mais quand il y a moi-même, en tant que juré, moi, mon tête, nous
We have to
rencontrons.
work tomorrow.
Et nous jouons chita.
What doesn't make sense?
Non.
About
Écoutez, Jacqueline, gratuit,
There need to be a solution.
Kim,
oui.
If this is not a crime, why did you use the word criminal and send Woody out of this room? I don't understand this.
C'est toutefois que ça, c'est pas un crime, pour qu'ils soient utilisé le mot crime.
Mais c'est nous qui t'avons utilisé le mot. C'est nous hier qui t'avons utilisé le mot.
You used it yesterday.
Avant hier, mardi.
The other day, I'm just repeating, I'm just
C'est lui qui vous dit
He said it was the same thing that we did translated that you guys said.
Yes.
We are surrounded.
And you said
And
if she was
ambushed.
working with you, you would fire her.
Faut nous chita, pour nous discuter, pour nous réfléchir sur la clinique là. Donc,
There was a patient that needed a medicine.
Est-ce que tes patients ont besoin de médicaments?
It was available.
Les médicaments étaient disponibles.
She didn't provide it.
Les pattes,
Would you fire a nurse for that?
ministre.
You would never fire a nurse?
Oh, what?
If your nurse, if someone did not provide care and had the ability
I don't either.
Yeah,
Not
she's
one bit.
supposed to go home. Yeah.
She's supposed to
Not
go
one
home.
bit.
We asked her to go home.
But
She didn't know.
Willie, we asked her for 2
I'm
days.
trying to understand what happened exactly.
Yes, but
Maybe-
not with all of
maybe-
these people here. Did anyone talk to you about this before?
No.
This is a trial. This is the judge and the jury. This is
I
very.
arrived at the clinic after dropping the people. I asked her, is there something wrong? She said, no, it's not something we can explain now. Until now, I never heard anything. So I'm just in a room invited in a meeting. Yeah.
Okay, well, this is not a
Just
meeting.
relax. Really. Please.
Parlons,
I know you're mad at me. I have to find
We will let you know. Bye.
This is the first time that
And then this man should have talked to you.
Non, non,
about
non.
separate-
Pas l'autre, il faut entendre ça en disant. Moi, j'ai 17 ans dans clinique là.
He's been working you for 17 years.
Moi, c'est archiviste.
He's the archivist.
C'est moi qui toujours préparé pour joindre le monde pour les missions en vie,
He's
pour le
always the
travail.
one to prepare for whenever the missions come so they can work together for people to work.
Mais un seul bagaille, je regrette
Only one thing he regrets,
comportement madame. Je regrette comportement madame Kim. Pour qui ça?
he regrets
C'est comme si
your behavior.
li pa vle
It's not like
traiter avec haïtien.
you don't. It's like you don't want to treat the problem with the Haitian.
Moi gen 54 ans,
He is 40.
ça veut dire m pa capable vini non rencontre. M vini non rencontre pour nous discuter un bagay pour sortir avec une
But you can
résolution.
find a common ground. I don't.
Chaque monde a levé au prale grain par grain.
He said he come to sit in a meeting so we can solve something, but everybody is leaving one after one to leave the meeting.
Well, I would just like to tell you that I was told to come to a meeting. In my culture, you are prepared to go to a meeting.
Agenda ahead of time.
And the last 2 meetings I had, people asked me for money.
Moun yo mande l'argent.
So I never know what a meeting means in Haiti.
Li pa jam kompren sa on renkontre vle di.
So my regret is that you made a decision about me when you don't understand. You broke
Li di
a rule
regret-
in my
Li
world.
di regret se ke ou pran yon desisyon de li san ke ou pa konen ke without knowing what?
You never go to a meeting in my culture without knowing what the meeting is
Ok,
about.
ou lan kiltu pal ou pa jam al nan reynyon san ke ou pa konen ki sa kwa al fe
And meetings in the United States are with the key players, not with
Okay.
everybody that's at this table.
Ok.
Et l'autre jour, mardi, nous connaissons depuis ça, nous avons rencontré nous. C'est nous qui convoqué dans la réunion.
He said on Monday, on Tuesday, he did not know what your
He did know
Ouais.
because Mike Ryder talked to him.
Il dit que vous te connaissez parce que Mike Ryder t'es pas là.
Oui, tu parlé avec moi, même par contre, yo même qui ça t'a pas discuté avec moi, même pas de gagner à
He said,
l'avance.
yes, Mike Ryder talked to him, but he
Yeah.
did not know what you were going to
Nous
discuss.
souhaitons nous faire un bagay pour qui soulager
Yeah.
frustration
I'm only
des demoiselles. Et en même temps, tout, famille tout.
He's hoping that you guys do something to improve the situation of this family, of that young woman and her family. I mean, improving mean to make the situation better, makes her feel better.
Well, I am the doctor. I was not present when the nurses had the confrontation.
Il dit que lui c'est un docteur, il pas présent les que infirmière te gain confrontation.
I am seeing the patients.
Et il était
So-
pour patient.
As we all know, we have one side of the story,
J'en nous tout connaît, nous te gain un bon dans histoire.
and then we have the other side
Et
of the
les ça
story.
vient gain et l'autre bon dans histoire.
So we need to find a middle ground
Mais qu'on y a là, nous besoin joindre un intermédiaire, une solution.
and find a solution that satisfies all of us.
Et que pour nous joindre une solution qui satisfait nous toutes qui là.
Okay? And I know emotions are high on both sides.
Il connaît que émotion li un petit peu élevée dans tous les débords.
Ok. En tant que médecin,
As a doctor,
je travaille, c'est pas, groupe américain, ça, c'est pas seul groupe que je travaille avec.
this American group is not the only group that he's worked with.
Donc, dans la culture américaine,
In American culture,
donc ça qui t'est fait là, c'est pareil un gros bagage.
what happened appeared to be a very big thing
Parce que pour chercher un médicament
because you're looking for a medicine
pour un malade qui grave,
for somebody who is really sick.
Et pourtant, médicament était là, pas de monde qui te connaît.
The medication was available, but nobody else knew about it.
Moi-même, ça m'a dit,
What he's
Pour
saying
Kamsus.
for Kamsus,
c'est cousin moi li.
that's his cousin.
M'attendais ça là, ça fait mal en pile.
He's listening to this, and this is really hurting him.
Mais, je pensais que, gon mes interprétations.
He thinks there is a misinterpretation.
Médicament qui doit là, qui pas même connaît,
The
peut-être s'il était là.
medication might be there, but she didn't know if it was there.
Mais nous pas besoin qu'un bien code ça.
But we don't have to.
Chaque monde interprète ça c'est dans la culture. Ouais, américain interprète de
We
façon,
don't have to
haïtien
hold
de
on
l'autre
to
façon.
on both ends, and we are pulling it because it's not. We have two different cultures. The American might see it in a different way, and the Haitian would see it in a different way.
M'attendais le mesdames te dit comme si c'est volé.
He did not hear when the other people said Kamsis was a robber.
Et m'pas été quoi tout
But he doesn't
que
think
mesdames yo a dit
the
ça.
other people would say that. You guys would
Parce que
say
un monde qui cultivé
because you are very cultivate.
pas avancer n'importe parole de un monde que ou pas trouver qui
Would
te
not say
prend bagage.
any kind of word to someone who you didn't see doing something.
Mais ça me vient penser,
But what
si
I
Kamsus t'a pris un médicament,
If Kamsis
pensez,
was to take the
il t'a mis dans
medication,
suitcase,
she
non,
would
non,
put it
non,
in
valise,
a
et
suitcase
puis,
and
il était capable de mettre non.
Okay.
C'est ça, c'est ça,
I
pensez.
appreciate this. Here's the solution. We're leaving tomorrow because I would like to leave right now.
Non.
No, but
We
okay,
work
okay,
tomorrow, we
stop.
leave after
Oh
work.
no, you're working tomorrow.
I'll
We're
work
staying.
tomorrow.
The reason I'm staying is for Dr. Fran. You can do whatever you want with your clinic. It's your clinic. It's your people. So tomorrow, Kamsis, the pharmacy is yours, but you won't have Kathleen and you won't have me. It's half day. You don't need us. It's fine. I just need to go there and get some of my things, and then we'll leave when the clinic's over. There's no reason to have this. I don't feel invested enough. There are so many people in the world who are suffering. So many people ask me for help. I'll just go help someone else. And it's okay. There are no hard feelings. So that's the answer. No problem. So thank you for hosting us. I'm leaving tomorrow. I will go find other places to serve. Okay? And then we'll pray.
Merci pour service que nous rendons communautaire.
Yes. And we will pray that this mission will continue with St. Thomas. How does that? Works for me.
Oui, la continue.
Okay.
Grâce à Dieu.
Thank you.